Hey guys, I'm Zoe. I'm back with another lesson. In this particular lesson, I'm going to explain about radian, degree, and the relationship between these two, and how can you convert radian to degree and vice versa. Okay, degree, as you know, is much easier to use because it's easier to visualizing this. Because we know that a circle or a page is from 0 to 360 degree. Half of this is 180, yes? And half of this one, 180, gets 90 degree. This is right angle. And 3 of 90 degree here, 270 degree, and again 360 or 0, and again, okay? This is degree. But how about radian? Radian is depending on the size of radius. This is radius, yes? I have another radius. Okay, if you have a radius like this one, if you find this arc on circumference of this this is R, yes? It's coming to here. Right, from here to here. I can mark this from this part to this one. This arc is equal to R, yes? Because this one is R, this arc is R too, right? If you have an arc like R is equal to your radius, and when you connect these two, you have an angle here. Yes, this angle is 1 radian. 1 radian, just 1. Okay. How many of these R we have here? 1 R, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and something. Why? Because what is the circumference of a any circle is what? This diameter is 2r times pi, right? Okay, how many r goes into this one? Okay, when you divide this one, 2r pi by r, you get 2 pi. It means that any circumference of a circle included 2 pi. Okay, this is so. Half of this is pi, right? This is 0 radian. This is pi radian. Okay, and 360 degree equals to 2 pi radian, right? Okay, how many of this one? We know that pi is actually, we say 2 pi. 2 times 3.14 approximately gets approximately 6 times 28, something like that. Yes, dot, 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 dot. 6 times of this R we have here on the circumference. Yes? Okay, so if you want to convert this one, you should know that. What is the relationship of these two? You can say pi to 180 because pi radian is 180 and 2 pi is 360. Okay, but this is a half is easier. But you can make your relationship of these two. For example, you can say make an proportionality. How? You can say 1 pi gets 180 degree. Yes, this is radian. Okay, for example, 90 degree, how much is going to be in radian? We can say, okay, 1 pi is 180 degree. How about 90 degree? This is one way to do this. Make a proportion and just find x. What is x? We know that x is equal to cross multiplication. 90 degree times pi divided by 180. Yes? Simplify by 90. Simplify by 90 is 2 pi over 2. So 90 degree is equal to what? Pi over 2. In the similar way, we can find something like 30 degree. Yes? 30 degree, for example. 30 degree is third of this one, 30 degree. Okay, how much is going to be? We can say pi over x is equal to 180 over 30 degree. Yes? This is a proportion you have. Yes? Okay. Cross multiplication. 30 degree times pi over 180. This simplified by 30, simplified by 36. Pi over 6. 30 degree is pi over 6. You see this one when you go to trigonometry and other things. Okay. How about 60 degrees? 60 degrees is here. This way. Okay. Pi over x equal to 180 over 60. You can simplify here or simplify here. X equal to cross multiplication. Pi times 60 degree over 180 degrees. Simplify 60. Pi over 3. Yes? This is pi over 2. 60 degree is pi over 3. And half of 90 degree is 45 degree. In this way, how much is going to be? Because you can say this is pi, half a pi, and half a pi gets pi over 2, half of pi over 2, pi over 4. Yes? So 45 degrees pi over 4. 0 or 2 pi, 30 degree pi over 6, 45 pi over 4, 60 degree pi over 3, pi over 2, and so on. About this one, how about the 270 degree? We can say this is pi over 2, pi over 2, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, right? This is the radian and this is degree between these two. In different books you see different formula, but the logic is the same. But the better thing, I recommend you can make your relationship between these two. You can say pi is 180. For 90 degrees, how much is of this one? Right? Or you can say 2 pi is 360 and make your proportion. Okay, and find the missing number. If you missing degree, for example, if you have degree, if you have radian and you are going to find degree, for example, you want to know what is 3 pi over 2 in degree. Yes? Degree. How can we do that? The same things. You can say 3 pi over 2 over pi is equal to, example, x over 180. Yes? And you can make a proportion and do this one, cross multiplication. X times pi equals to 3 pi over 2 times 180. We can simplify here. 180 to 2 gets 90 degree. Okay, here is x pi equals to 3 pi times 90 is 270 pi. You can say pi divided by pi divided by pi. You can say x equals to 270 degree. This is from radian to degree. You can make a proportion. You can say 3 pi over 2 in radian. How much is degree? 3 pi over 2 over pi is the same proportion as x over 180, and do this. Okay, hope you like this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe and share this channel if you think this is useful for you and the other students. Okay, see you later, and good luck.